Hi there, kumusta ka na? Pagod ka na bang bumangon sa umaga? Yung mag-ingay na yung alarm mo, gustong-gusto mo pang matulog, pero hindi pwede. Kailangan ka talagang bumangon dahil magtrabaho. Punta ka sa trabaho mo na hindi mo naman gusto. Nagtrabaho ka pa ng isa, dalawa, tatlo. Laging overtime. Halos wala ka ng time sa sarili mo. Pagod na pagod ka na. Lagi ka na lang may sakit. Lagi ka na lang magpunta sa doktor. At wala ka ng time sa mga pamilya mo. Hello, hi, my name is Gretchen Betty. Originally from Philippines, I am a Bisaya. Currently living here in Seattle, Washington. By profession, I am working in the medical industry for 21 years now. Hopefully, this video guys, hindi niyo gi-skip kasi yan ang experience ko dati before I come across this business over 1 year ago. My life is all about work. My kids growing up with me. That I'm always working. I used to work like 3 jobs, and until I found this the job now, the healthcare industry. I work in this company for 21 years, but all I do is working overtime all the time, 7 days a week, 10 to 16 hours a day. Halos wala ko day off. Until that time, imagine nagkasakit na lang ko. I didn't I couldn't notice that I have a day off because I'm thinking like I'm a single mom actually, and I have 4 kids. So for me 8 hours is not enough. So I'm glad also that my work they give us to work overtime all the time. But you know what, I realized na nagkasakit ko lagi lang akong punta sa doktor. At then ang mga overtime ko kulang-kulang pa rin, halos tamang-tama lang sa mga bayaran every month. So I was praying to God that to guide me, kasi ayoko namang may mangyari sa akin din, di ba? Kasi ang hirap naman pag nagkasakit ako, sino nang magbabayad sa bills ko? And then I have a family back home to support. I used to support my my parents, until they're getting sick. They were in out on the hospital until 2019 namatay yung nanay ko. And then I went back to Philippines. Pagdating ko doon, namatay din yung tatay ko. It was so sad. Was my experience in life. I realized din na life is too short. So ayaw ko yung may mangyari sa akin din. So I ask God, I pray to God to give me the sign. I wanna work and earn extra money, online without me sacrificing my health and my time. And then little did I know, one day na nagtrabaho ko sa akong full-time job, gidungog na din sa ginawa kong pag-ampo. While I'm listening music in the background, ninggawas ni siya nga ad, 90 minutes ad, just like this one na yung gitanaw karon. Sis no kay about watching 90 minutes. So I click, I registered my name and email address, and then nakarawat ko og link. So akong gi-click, gitanaw ko ang 90 minutes webinar. So nahibalo jud ko nga ang business para sa kuha. But then again, aaminin ko, I was a bit skeptical. Of course, because I don't have experience prior, when the business presented itself. But you know what? All I know in myself is I am hardworking, I am a go-getter, I am a dreamer, and I really, really, really wanna change my situations. Ayaw ko nang magtrabaho ng overtime kasi nga ayaw ko nang, magkasakit. I'm not getting younger. So, also I'm thinking about my future, about retirement. So that's why I joined the business right away. Of course, I do my own due diligence. I connected with with her, and she told me that the business is legit and tax registered. Yes po. We receive a tax slip the end of the year here in the United States. You receive T99 form, so you can file your tax at the end of the year. And the beauty in this business, hindi na tayo magbenta, no selling involved, otherwise I wouldn't be here. So wala nang shipping, no inventory, hindi na kailangan na may experience ka dahil may video based training tayo na madali lang sundan, at may mentor tayo, a coach na mag-assign na magturo sa atin, and plus the the community support us along the way when we have questions. So kung ikaw ay have a burning desire, you are coachable, you are hardworking, gusto ka nga, mausab ang imuhang pamuyo, nga nga makatigom ka og kwarta para sa imong pamilya, para sa imong future, para sa imong pan-travel, sa imong pag-retirement, or baka gusto ka nga, makapalit ka og balay, or makapalit ka og the car that you're dreaming about. Whatever is that you're dreaming about, then check this business out. Wala namang mawala. Watch 90 minutes webinar, click the learn more button, enter your name and email address, then makadawat ka og link sa 90 minutes webinar. Tan-awag yung kadihagi mi na nagsugod. After watching, then you will know if this business is aligned with your interest. If it is, then follow the next steps. The beauty in this business, because 90% of the heavy lifting is already done by automation. Meaning, ibig sabihin, kahit tulog ka, o busy ka sa pamilya mo, busy ka sa full-time work mo, o sa business mo, ano-ano pa ba yung mga ginagawa mo dyan, your business is running in the background 24/7, creating, results for you. You don't have to be there. You only do 1 to 2 hours a day in this business. I'm glad that I'm here, in this business, because I'm still working my full-time job, but no more overtime. I'm so relaxing now. I have my tea, even though I'm here, in the house. I have results already in this business. Mag-travel ako, I can do the business wherever I go. So if you can resonate my story, you are hardworking, coachable, God-fearing, you wanna grow and learn in this business and willing to follow the training, then this business is for you. Click the learn more button below, register your name and email address, and you will receive the link for 90 minutes webinar. Please watch 90 minutes webinar, because after that, then you will know if the business is for you. So that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I will see you in the inside. Bye-bye.